In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up logic jumps in Typeform. If you've ever wanted to enhance your surveys with dynamic flow based on respondents' answers, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into it and see how you can use this feature on Typeform to create a more interactive user experience. Start by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Typeform website at www.typeform.com. It's an easy URL to remember, so you can always find your way back. Once the page is loaded, take a look at the top right corner of the home page. You'll see a button labeled Log In. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the login page. Now it's time to get yourself logged in. Typeform offers a couple of ways you can do this. If you've previously set up your account with your email, simply enter those credentials, your email address and password. Alternatively, if you prefer using single sign-on options, Typeform provides integrations with platforms like Google and Microsoft. Choose the method that's most convenient for you and proceed to log in. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to select the Typeform you want to modify. Navigate through your dashboard and open up the form you intend to add logic jumps to. With your Typeform open, look for the Logic tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to enter the logic settings. Next, you'll notice an option to add logic. Click on that and then choose branching. This selection will allow you to set up conditions based on user responses. So, with the branching setup initiated, it's time to decide where you want to implement this logic. Navigate to the specific question in your Typeform where a logic jump will be most beneficial. Once you're there, look for the option to add a condition. This step is where you define the conditions to trigger a jump. For example, you might choose a condition like, if answer is yes, then jump to question X. This setup creates a seamless pathway for respondents, steering the interaction based on their answers. After setting the conditions, you'll need to select the exact question you want respondents to jump to if those conditions are met. Carefully choose the right target question to ensure smooth transitions for your audience, and there you have it. You've successfully incorporated logic jumps into your Typeform, creating a tailored experience for each respondent. By following these steps, you've made your survey more engaging, and you've gathered more relevant data based on personalized interactions. Thanks for watching, and happy typeforming.